Welcome to our YouTube channel for researchers.
In today's video, we'll be discussing how to write a literature review in management research. A literature review is an essential part of any research project, and it helps to identify gaps in the existing literature and provides a foundation for your research. So, let's get started. How to write a literature review in management research. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify your research question or topic. Step 2. Conduct a comprehensive search. Step 3. Evaluate the sources. Step 4. Organize the sources. Step 5. Write the literature review. Step 6. Revise and edit. Step 1. Identify your research question or topic. Before you start writing your literature review, you need to have a clear idea of your research question or topic. This will help you to identify relevant sources and narrow down your search. Step 2. Conduct a comprehensive search. Once you have identified your research question or topic, you need to conduct a comprehensive search for relevant literature. This can be done through databases, journals, and other relevant sources. Step 3. Evaluate the sources. After you have collected the relevant literature, you need to evaluate each source based on its relevance, credibility, and quality. This will help you to determine which sources to include in your literature review. Step 4. Organize the sources. Once you have evaluated your sources, you need to organize them based on themes or categories. This will help you to identify common themes or patterns in the literature. Step 5. Write the literature review. After you have organized your sources, you need to write the literature review. This involves summarizing and synthesizing the information from each source, highlighting the key findings, and identifying the gaps in the existing literature. Step 6. Revise and edit. Once you have written your literature review, you need to revise and edit it to ensure that it is clear, concise, and well-structured. This involves checking for spelling and grammar errors, and ensuring that your arguments are coherent and supported by evidence. Conclusion. Writing a literature review can be a daunting task, but by following these 6 steps, you can ensure that you have a clear and comprehensive literature review that provides a foundation for your research. Thank you for watching our video on how to write a literature review in management research. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this. See you in the next one.